Hi guys, look at this question. The question is a under root a plus b under root b is equals to 3, and the second equation is a under root b plus b under root a is equals to 2, and we have to find the values of a and b. Just call this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now let's assume that x is equals to under root a. Now this implies that x square is equals to a. Further assume that y is equals to under root b. Now this implies that y square is equals to b. Now substituting these two assumptions in the main equation, you get x square into x plus y square into y is equals to 3. Further, you get here x square into y plus y square into x is equals to 2. So again, for this, after simplification, you get x cube plus y cube is equals to 3, and here you get x square y plus x y square is equals to 2. Now just call this as equation number 3 and call this as equation number 4. Now working on this equation, x cube plus y cube is equivalent to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, and this equation x square y plus x y square is equals to, here you get take out xy common, so you are left with x plus y inside the bracket is equals to 2. Now call this as equation number 5 and this as equation number 6. Now here we are going to divide this equation number 5 just divided by equation number 6. So we get here x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square is equals to 3 divided by xy into x plus y is equals to 2. Now this term and this term gets cancelled and we are left with x square minus xy plus y square upon xy is equals to 3 upon 2. Now just apply squaring both sides, cross multiplication, you get 2 x square minus xy plus y square is equals to 3xy. Further you get here 2x square minus 2xy plus 2y square. Just bring this 3xy on the left hand side. Now these are the terms of xy. So you can write it as 2x square minus 5xy plus 2y square is equals to 0. Now you can split this to 5xy as minus 4xy minus xy plus 2y square is equals to 0. Now out of these two terms, taking out 2x common, you are left with x minus 2y. Here, taking out minus y common, you are left with x minus 2y inside the bracket. So you get x minus 2y common out of these two terms, and here you get 2x minus y is equals to 0. Now this implies x minus 2y is equals to 0 and 2x minus y is equals to 0. Further you can say that x is equals to 2y, or here you get 2x is equals to y. Now these are the two equalities that we have got after simplification. Call this as case number 1, case number 2. Now considering the case 1 first, just put this equality in this equation, that is x cube plus y cube is equals to 3. We have x is equals to 2y. Just put this value. This is 2y cube plus y cube is equals to 3. Here we get 8y cube plus y cube is equals to 3. Here we get 9y cube is equals to 3. Just divide by 9 on both sides. So this 9 gets cancelled, and y cube, this 1 and this is 3. Now taking power 1 upon 3 on both sides. So you get y is equals to 1 upon cube root of 3. This value of y. Now since we assumed that x is equals to 2y, so we have x is equals to 2 into 1 upon cube root of 3. So x is equals to 2 upon cube root of 3. Now considering the case 2, just put this equality in this equation number 1, that is y is equals to 2x. Here we have y is equals to 2x as we calculated earlier. Just put this value. We have x cube plus 8x cube is equals to 3. Further you have 9x cube is equals to 3. Now in order to free, you eliminate 9 from left hand side, just divide by 9 on both sides, and here this value gets cancelled. So we have x cube is equals to 1 upon 3. Further, just take power 1 upon 3 on both sides. We get x is equals to 1 upon cube root of 3. Now for calculating, now this is the value of x. Further, we will replace it by under root a and b to calculate the values of a and b. Now, as we know that here we have y is equals to 2x. So, we have y is equals to 2 into 1 upon cube root of 3, or we say that y is equals to 2 upon cube root of 3. Now, for the solutions, that is x1 comma y1, we have 2 upon under root 3 comma 1 upon. Now we are going to calculate a and b from here, as we know that x is equals to under root a, or you can say that a is equals to x square and y is equals to under root b, or you can say that b is equals to y square. Just put these values. We have and b is equals to 1 upon. So we have a comma b, or you can say the first solutions are 2 upon cube root of 3 whole square, and this is 1 upon cube root of 3 whole square. Further, for the next solution, that is x2 comma y2, that we calculated earlier, we have 1 upon cube root of 3 comma 2 upon cube root of 3. We have, since a is equals to x square and b is equals to y square, so we have a is equals to 1 upon cube root of 3 whole square and b is equals to 2 upon cube root of 3 whole square. So the next solution, that is for a2 comma b2, is equals to 1 upon cube root of 3 whole square comma 2 upon cube root of 3 whole square, and this is our required answer. I hope you understand it, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.